Hey there, fellow cats and cat enthusiasts. MEOW-9 reporting live from my cardboard box studio. Respectfully. What the meow? First up on the scratching post. You can't trust macOS privacy and security settings. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Moving on. And trust me, this is not a laser pointer distraction. 1D chess. Meow. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. Hold on to your whiskers for this next one. WireGuard makes new Windows release following Microsoft signing resolution. Meow da. Jie Xing? Hiss. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Industrial design files for Keychron keyboards and mice. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. Helium is hard to replace. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. And that's the news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe faster than a cat chasing a red dot. Bye bye.